Hi, Carrie Clausen with Compass Real Estate. So listen, I'm at another open house and I just heard another buyer tell me that they're not going to purchase a home until the interest rates come down a bit. And I thought I'm gonna go ahead and just post another video real quick to educate my buyers, people who are considering purchasing a home in 2023, about all the reasons why this is exactly the time to buy a house. So first and foremost, and maybe the most relevant, is a home that was priced much higher than it is today 1 year ago. That's very, very relevant. Homes have come down quite a bit from 1 year ago. But more importantly, even than that, are the seller's concessions. So sellers right now, guys, are making all kinds of offers to buyers to sweeten the pot. For example, closing costs. A lot of my buyers don't know that money right out of wallet right now can be $10, $15, maybe even $18,000 in closing costs. And sellers are willing to cover that. Another really, really important concession is buying down points. So sellers are offering to buy down points to shave off hundreds of dollars from your monthly mortgage payment. That's pretty great, isn't it? So that, coupled with negotiations that are now taking place, and during inspection, sellers are willing to go ahead and take care of and address any issues found during inspection. And then other good news is I am referring a lender right now who is offering to go ahead and do refinances on the loan for free. So when the interest rates do come down, and we certainly do expect them to do so, you can refinance and take advantage of that as well. So when the interest rates start going down, guess what? All those sellers' concessions are gonna go away. So now is the time to buy. Give me a call, let's chat. Thanks, guys.